thing, oh.
My friend, please take me out of this place now. I'm going to the airport.
I just off the car for 3 minutes. If they overheat, I want to make cool down small. I pour water inside, I'm going to go.
Please don't make me lose my flight. You know, I'll get you arrested.
You know, no verse, I beg. Your safety is my major concern. I say you reach airport as you get, so no be say we'll come there for inside bag. Now ain't good pass. Make it just cool down. I pour water.
That one is your business, eh? If you make me lose my flight, I will arrest you and you face the consequences.
I know the flight time for my head. You don't believe it. I beg.
Mama, this is your son's car!
Hey!
Mama!
Mama! Hey!
Dance, Mama, dance!
Hey!
Mama! Mama! Mama, Mama, this is my car. I just bought it 2 weeks ago.
Hey!
No, don't worry. Let me open for you.
Hey!
Hey! Mama! Hey! Look around. This is your brother's car.
Hey! Mama, what are you doing? Hey! This is your car.
Mama, this is your son's car.
Hey! Daniel, my son.
Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Just 3 weeks ago, you renovated our house. And now, you are here with a new car.
Mama, it's God, though. It's God.
Holy sir, I thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jesus.
I thank you, sir. Hey!
Mama.
Mother,
Yeah.
what about auntie and a boy?
Don't worry, okay? They are fine. Mama, now that I have renovated this house and everything is intact, and God has blessed me with a new car, all of us will be coming this Christmas.
Hey!
Well, let's go in.
What a wonderful! I'm hungry.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Hey, get up, hungry.
Hey! Mama, I am back. Wow, Mama. 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 I know you are happy. Mama. Mama, don't worry.
Where are you going?
I just want to see my friend Chikube. I'll be back soon.
Chikube is not running now. You just came back from the city.
I know, Mama. I'll be back soon. Your son is back. Don't worry, Mama. I'm coming. I'm coming, Mama.
Brother, I want to go. Don't eat outside, though.
Mama, don't worry, okay? This is my village. I am not afraid of anything, Mama. I'll be coming back.
Please be careful. I want to go with
No, don't worry, okay? I'll be right back. Come here.
I want to go with
you. Come back. Don't worry, I'll be back. I'll buy you something.
Buy me bread.
Yes.
Daniel. Don't eat outside, though.
Mommy, I'm fine.
You know that we have witches and wizards. There are men in this village, oh. Mama, nothing will happen to you. Over him. Mama, let's be happy. My brother just bought me. Hey! Daniel, hi! I'm sorry. Daniel, Hey!
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Hey, is this your car?
So this is my car.
It's a lie. Hey!
Take a look around.
Yes, this is the newer model.
I bought it 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks, sir.
2 weeks. I'm the first person in this village to get this car.
Interesting. So how is your wife and family?
Fine.
Wow.
Forgive my manners. I forgot to say you look so beautiful these days.
Well, I'm always beautiful. Wow.
You know what?
What?
Why don't you come over to the house later in the evening, okay?
I'll come.
All right, I have something for you. 1 minute.
Daniel, you're looking so good, though. Hey.
Money is talking.
I know. Money is talking. Wow. Interesting.
Ugo, you can have this. Just get yourself anything you want to. Just keep this as well, okay?
All this for me.
Come to the house, okay?
Okay.
Take care of yourself.
Okay. You people forgot about me, oh. It's not fair, oh.
Don't forget to come to the house, okay?
Okay, I'll come to the house. Okay, I'll come this evening. Right. Okay, bye. Okay. 2 weeks ago. I will come. I will be at your house.
Who am I seeing? Who am I seeing? Who am I seeing? Danito! Daniel, my man! Daniel! Who am I seeing?
How you doing, my
Daniel,
friend?
my man! Hey! Daniel!
Chekube!
When did you come back?
I just came back.
Daniel, my man!
This is my new car.
Wait, Daniel, you mean you bought this car with your money?
What are you saying? I said this is my car.
Daniel, my man!
Thank you, brother.
Welcome,
look around,
welcome,
look around,
welcome,
look around.
This is the machine, oh. This is the machine, oh. This is not
Stop admiring the car.
Okay.
Go get ready. We are going to eat money.
I am
Money.
ready already.
You are ready?
I'm
Enter the car. Let's go. and
Let
eat
me lock
money.
my door. Let me lock my door.
I'm waiting.
Daniel is back, oh.
Come, let's go and eat money. Lock the door. I'll be waiting.
Let me lock my door. Hey! Hey!
Have you locked the door?
Are you sure? Yes, oh yes.
Let's go and eat money.
Let's go. Yes, so this is
Have you opened the door?
I can't believe my eyes. No!
Mama.
Yeah. Oh no.
Fine, welcome.
Hey, my sister. Well done. Good afternoon. How today?
Fine, welcome. It's not too much, yo. Ah, agree to.
Oh, my brother. Good afternoon. You don't hear? You know, go inside. Go inside. Mommy's coming. Eh?
Boy, I was good today.
My sister. I beg. You know when Gina Papa come out?
Yeah. At the below. Yeah. Handful. Yeah. Welcome. Bye.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I can see your brother's car is not parked outside. That means he's not around.
Yes, he went out.
Child, he asked me to come this evening. Oh. Do you know where he went to?
No. I have no idea.
Okay. That means I'll come back and check on him.
Okay, I'll tell him you came.
What about Mama?
She's fine.
Alright, tell her that I came, eh?
Okay.
Fine.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Who is that? It's my brother's wife's friend, Auntie Ugo.
What does she want?
I don't know. She said brother asked her to come.
So Daniel is not yet back.
No, Mama.
I warned him not to live here.
Mama. Daniel is not a kid now. Allow him to enjoy his car.
Our people are wicked. They are wicked. Some bad people will see him with a new car and get jealous. I don't want anything to happen to my son. So put a call to him and ask him to come back now.
Yes, ma. Mama is actually right. My brother needs to be careful.
Daniel, give me, make I die. Give me, make I die. If you die, who's going to eat my money? I'm already getting addicted. What will happen to me when you travel back to the city? I always said money. My name is Money. What will happen to me when you travel back to the city? I'm getting addicted. Chikube, eat my money. Daniel, give me, make I die. When money is involved, happiness is free. Eh? Give me, make I die, Daniel. Chikube, I've not seen this kind of chop life. Oh! You are loaded. Ugo. How do you know I'm here?
I saw your car.
Oh, my car. You're welcome. She saw my car. Your machine. Sit down, sir. Go sit down and enjoy with me.
Chakube, how are you?
As you can see, I'm very fine.
I see.
Waiter, come, stand by. Talk to me, speak for me. What do you want to take? What do you care for? What do you want?
Small stuff.
Come, waiter. Bring 1 carton.
1 carton? No, 1 bottle.
Bring 1 carton. Okay,
1 bottle.
Bring 1 carton. When money is in bring 1 carton. Happiness is free. Make it snappy. Make it snappy. Bring 1 carton. My name is Money. Give drink to everybody. Two more. My name is Daniel. My friend is loaded. Barman, eat money. My friend is loaded. Eat money. See your friend? My friend, get away to get money.
Chakube, like enjoyment.
Uju! Take you inside. Okay. Uju, let's go.
Take me to the driver's seat.
I'll drive.
Go inside. I'll take the one to drive. You want to drive my car?
Yes, I will drive.
Ugo, this car is just 2 weeks old.
I know how to drive.
No. I'll be the one to drive today. Daniel, give me the keys.
Do you know how to drive?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I can drive Keke. I can drive Okada. Give me the key, let me drive now.
Give me now, I will drive the car.
Hey, is that my car?
No, it's my car.
Where is Chikobe? Is he inside?
He's inside.
Enter.
Enter.
Chikobe, where are you? He's in the car. Let me have the keys. I will be the one
keys?
The keys to this car.
Please enter the
Give
car.
me the keys. I will be the one to drive. I said you should give me the keys.
And the driver, they are drunk.
Who is drunk? Your father is drunk. Your great grandfather is drunk. Your great ancestors is drunk.
Please enter the car.
Give me the keys. Let me drive the car.
So Daniel did not come back. I am sure he must have followed Chekube to his house. Alright, it's almost 12 a.m. and he's not back yet. Ijoma, get your phone and call him. I have been calling and he's not picking up. Call him again, we need to find out where he is. Let me call him. Why is this boy endangering his life? Is this why he came back from the city? Call him immediately. It's saying switched off. Switched off? Yes. Why? I don't know. Hey! Daniel wants to put me into trouble. Why? Hey! See, your food is already getting cold. Tell my son to come out.
Mama, your son is not here.
He is here.
No, Mama, he dropped me yesterday and left.
Chekube,
Mama.
what are you trying to say? Brother Chekube, my brother did not come home last night.
Then call him on phone now.
His phone is switched off.
Alright, let me get my phone. I'll call him myself.
Don't mind him. Daniel is here. Why is he lying? He is a liar.
Daniel, pick the call now. Pick your phone. Daniel, yes, your mother and your sister is here.
Give me the phone. Hello, Daniel. Where are you? At home? Ijoma, let us go.
If Daniel did not sleep in their house yesterday, where did this girl take him to? Daniel, don't put me in trouble. I don't want wahala.
Who could have believed what happened here last night? I mean, there is this saying that goes this way. An opportunity comes but once. But this time, it came at the nick of time. The right time. And I loved it! And I love it! Hey, Tony.
day.
What is good about the day? Where were you last night?
Last night? I was here. I was here.
Because I asked you to come over to my house, you refused to pick up your phone.
Oh, that. I'm sorry. My phone battery died.
Oh, shut up! You know why you switched off your phone? Because I asked you to come over to my place.
No, Tony. What I will not tolerate is you shouting on me. You have to calm down when you talk to me, okay?
You're talking to me like that.
Okay, why are you shouting? Since I have known you all my life, what have you given to me?
Where were you last night? I asked you a simple question.
Don't ask me that question. All you know how to do is lay on me. Lay on me every time. What have you given to me?
You're talking to me like that.
Yes, I will talk to you. What? Okay, the money I asked from you. Why haven't you given me the money?
You're talking to me like that?
I will talk to you the way I choose to talk to you. If I tear my bra and ask me where I was, every time where were me? We don't know where we not here. Nonsense.
You're talking to me like that because I asked you a simple question.
Where
were you last night?
Carry your coconut head and go.
Ugo. Hey, I must get to the bottom of this. I promise you.
Get out.
I promise you I will get to the bottom of this.
Done.
Mama, good morning.
Where did you sleep last night?
Mama, I'm very sorry. I did not tell you people I won't be coming back. I slept at Chikube's house.
But Chikube said you dropped him at home and left.
Chikube said that?
Yes.
Mama, don't mind him. He didn't want to tell you people the truth.
Brother, you caused us sleepless nights.
I said I'm sorry now. And Mama, as you can see, I'm cleaning my car. I'll be going back to the city this morning.
Why this morning?
Mama, you won't understand. They just called me at my place of work and they said I should come immediately, Mama.
So, before going?
Mama, I'll eat that. No, don't worry, Mama. Mama, later, let me go and prepare. I'm rushing.
Omalicha.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I can see you're coming back from market.
Yes.
Alright, tell Daniel I will see him in the evening, okay?
Daniel has gone back to the city.
Huh?
Yes.
Gone back to the city? Without my knowledge?
He had an emergency call this morning, so he had to go back.
No, now. He should have at least tell me now. Huh?
Why did you lie to my mother? Why did you tell her that Daniel did not sleep in your house?
EJ, I did not lie to your mother. Daniel did not sleep in my house. What will I gain if I lie to you or your mother?
But Daniel told my mother that he slept in your house. Why are you lying to me?
I wonder why she told you people that. Daniel did not sleep in my house. I am sure of that. I wonder why he's creating problem between me and your family.
See, my mother is not happy with you. She's so angry at you. Me, I have to go. I'm late already.
Why is Daniel doing this now? Eh? You did not sleep in my house. You are sure of it. Why did you tell your family that you slept in my house? I don't like this, so Daniel. I don't like this. Daniel, you have even gone back to the city without even telling me. Somebody that you call your friend.
the car key. Give me the car key. Give me.
I can explain.
I don't want to hear anything. Where the money we carry from my safe? Where the money we carry from my safe?
That's why I say make I explain.
I don't want to hear. Why are you wicked like this? Huh? Why you carry the money from my safe? What do you want to talk?
Okay, let me just explain. See, I just got a call yesterday that my mother was admitted. I didn't have any money on me. I just had to take the money on the safe. I only spent 60,000. Only 60,000.
Who be we?
Sure.
Why are you wicked like this? I go work morning and night. They go cost me. I go work. I'll keep the money. You go there. You carry them. You chop them. When you chop and finish, you shave your baby a razor cut. When you cut, I'll go and work again. Bring them. You chop them. Shave your baby razor cut. When you cut, huh?
Philo, I'm sorry now. See, it will never happen again. It will never happen again.
Why are you wicked like this? Why are you wicked like this? Huh? What's happened to you? Why are you wicked like this? Oh, don't touch me! How you gonna love person? Come and wicked now! Why are you wicked like this? Give me the money I take myself! Give me now, I should go to the other side, give me! Why are you wicked like this? How you gonna say you love person, you're gonna suffer? How you gonna say you love person, you're gonna suffer? I'll go work, I'll come back, you don't talk to me well. You don't treat me well. You pack the money, you chop her. How you gonna love person for the wicked and like this? That was me.
I slept off. I didn't sleep well last night. But what really happened last night? I don't even want to think about last night. Nah. Where is this girl? Uju! Uju!
Good afternoon, sir.
Where is my wife?
She has gone to work.
Good. Go make me lunch. I'm hungry.
Sir.
What?
Sir, Madam actually asked me not to cook anything until she comes back from work.
Are you mad?
No, sir.
I say she go prepare lunch for me. I give you 10 minutes.
Sir.
Shut up! This girl is really tempting me. She has not prepared the noodles for me. Uju! Uju!
Sir, I'm here. You called me, sir.
Where is the noodle asked to prepare for me?
Right. The noodles. Sir, I did not cook it though. Madam will be very angry with me if she comes back. So I did not cook the noodles.
Madam, I, the man of the house, talking to you and you are talking about madam?
Sorry, sir.
Let me ask you.
Yes, sir.
Between your madam and I, who should you supposed to obey to?
Okay. Who I'm supposed to obey? Sir, I'm supposed
Would
to
you
obey
kneel down?
everybody. Hey, sir. Sir, please do. It's because of madam. It's not my
I
fault.
want to see your 2 hands up.
Try.
Close your eyes. That is how you remain till she comes back. Stupid girl. Rubbish.
been long I experienced this kind of thing. But during our primary school.
Did you open your eyes?
No, it's not possible, sir. I can't open my eyes.
You are very lucky they open your eyes.
Okay, my eyes are closed. Hey. But it's not my fault though. My hands are paining me. It's not my fault. I want my madam to pound me like pounded yam if she comes back.
What is it now?
So I'm not saying I don't they call you sis. Don't tap it I know answer. I know this now. I come down and meet them with you. Eh?
I dey vex for you.
What you are doing? This night when we're supposed to be together now, you don't be vex.
Why am I go vex? Every time you say you love me, but you instructed your housemate not to give me food. Is it fair?
Don't in the past tense. I talk like that because of what you do that time. I've been the vex. Yeah, no vex, no vex. Now I come more discussing.
I will leave this room for you.
I say make I put my clothes, my phone back so that we will discuss why you do this. Daniel, good morning. I greet you, good morning.
I dey hear you now. What is it?
Your food done ready. With what you like now, prepare. Come eat.
I'm not hungry. Go and eat your food. I don't have appetite.
You too did vex. Eh? That's not what happened yesterday. We had already begged you, so okay. No verse, so now you see the verse for me for so. Eh? Oh yeah, no vex. Go eat.
Why I no go vex? Tell me why I no go vex. Why did you even take the new car from me when we agreed I'll be using it?
Taxi business. Now the sentence where you need a great join, now you dey tire me. You will just stop driving it. You know they act for taxi business. After you say mechanic, they repair the old one. When you bring the old one, you go take the new one. They do taxi business. Then me, I go use the old one. They do taxi business. Because how come you join me for this my airport taxi business? By the time you bring, I bring. Everywhere go full. Nobody go know secret of house. Eh? But if you dey talk, you just say be driving. For taxi business. Be driving. For taxi business. No verse. No verse. Make it for good now. I dey talk. Make it for good. It is the best. That's what will happen. And I make you say you don't go eat. Yeah. Come eat. No verse. No verse. Now good thing make me talk up. Because if you dey talk, you say be driving it. For taxi business, don't be the complete sentence. Yeah? No verse. It is the best. Come in. It is the best. No verse. It's what you like now.
Filo na hustler. Filo na hustler. Where they hustler mo tight yo. She hustle pass a man no. Taxi driver. Serious taxi driver. Filo they hustle for money oh. What a man no can do, a woman no can do better. If you are not so talking money, hey, feel our cause of time and money, and she dey use am well, hey, my money she dey find you. No longer talk, no book one echo jalo. Feel no the dollar, she dey hustle and tight here. If you are not talking money, you are talking.
15,000.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And I'm very happy about the conversation we get. Today, because I'm a person they respect women. When woman begin to do this kind of work, you go to respect them. Because for you to do this kind of work, you must get respect in bone for your back.
Have you?
Yes, you must strong.
I believe you.
Yes, sir.
I will consider it and work with it.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
Yes. Yes.
Is there anybody here?
Yeah, what is it?
I came to see you.
Okay, I'm listening.
Won't you at least give me a seat?
Please, I was busy in the backyard. Can you just hurry up, please?
Okay, I really came to apologize. What happened last time? I'm really so sorry.
It's fine. There's no need to apologize to me. I'm going back.
Excuse me.
Tony, what is it?
I have the money.
Ah.
Yes.
How much?
30,000 as you requested.
I hope it's complete.
Of course.
Thank you.
Alright, have a nice day.
What is going on? This is so unlike him. Okay.
Stop! Yes, sir.
This your smile is suspicious. What? What kind of nonsense list is this one? 350,000 naira for cream, body spray and soap?
Honey, there's something that is say, upgrade, move to the next level. So I want to upgrade my stuffs. I want to use things that are better products. I'm your wife now. I need to glow, sparkle. I need to speak volume. You know, please give me money.
You want to upgrade?
Yes.
You want to sparkle?
Yes, of course.
So that is why you brought this stupid list. Now let me ask you a question. How much did I give you last week for shopping?
Only we're not here to do counterbalance, please. I only asked for ordinary 350,000. Biko, give me the money. Okay, are you giving me the money or not?
Can you hear yourself? No, can you listen to yourself? You call a whooping 350,000 naira ordinary. Eh?
Honey, it's not 350 million. Thousand. I don't understand. You want to start insulting me now because of this kind of money. I'm not here to argue with you. Are you giving me the money or not?
Now let me ask you, how much do you make in a day? No, you tell me. How much do you make in a day that you are making this kind of request? Eh? Are your mates not out there making money? And you are here, you cross your leg in the house, always asking me for money. On top of that, you prefer my money in the house.
Only you will have a headache.
Yes.
You will have a headache.
Yes.
BP.
In fact, I'm having headache already.
Aha! That means BP is coming. Take it easy.
It is you that will have BP.
I'm not sure.
I will take this rubbish from here, idiot. You see the girl that takes me from the airport. She drives taxi. She hustles and make money. And you are here lazing around.
You are insulting me because of just 350,000 naira.
Get out.
My father will hear this.
Leave my presence, idiot.
Stingy man.
Boniface, Open the gate, quick.
Ugo!
Hey! Who are you looking for?
Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mama.
Uh-huh. Who are you looking for?
Please, it's Ugochi in the house.
What is that your name again?
I'm Tony now. Anthony, to be precise.
Leave my house. I said leave my house!
Mama, why?
Don't mama me. I am not your mother. And stop deceiving my daughter. I've warned you several times. Leave my house.
Mama, why are you talking
like this? Leave my house. Are you still standing there? Are you still... Leave my house. Are you not hearing me? Get out of my house. Get out. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Come with the
Darling. I'm greeting you.
Sir, is greeting by force? No. Is greeting by... Don't greet me. Hold your greeting. I see that business is more important, Abi. Go for your business. Have marker.
Why are you talking to me like that?
Why are you talking to me like that? Okay. I asked for money, right? Where's the money? You're laughing. I'm not a comedian now. I'm funny. Isn't it? Please. You know you. You are a very stingy man. You are self-centered. You are wicked. You are everything wickedness entails. That's what you are. Now, you like to give people outside your money. Women especially. I know.
Ella, you look at me. A philanthropist when it comes to you. And you call me a stingy man?
Hey, that's the point. Now you have hit a filler what? Nilo. Outside you are feeling this thing. Yeah, I don't feel it. You think I don't know? I know how you move around with all those stupid girls, all those stupid girls up and down in this city. I used to hear girls that cannot stand me, your wife. Okunoka. They can't stand me.
Ella, please don't start.
Don't start. I will start. I will frustrate you. You have headache. You have serious headache for a matter. I'm telling you the truth. I know this you are doing. So your money, all of them continue. I know.
Oh, please stop it already. Stop it. Everyday headache, everything, BP, this. It's about the money. Yes. I will give it to you when I come back in the evening.
Dear, I don't want the money. Hold your money. Hold your money. I've got my brother. Yes, the money is coming in quantum. Soon, pim on my phone alert.
You did what?
Yes, I did it. Stingy man. No. You're a stingy man.
You called your brother?
Yes, I called him. You're a stingy man. It is wicked.
Can you see this woman? Did you hear her? No. You called your brother to ask for money. This is how you keep disgracing me. Is your brother as sweet as me? Idiot! Hey, this woman. She will not stop disgracing me. It's alright. Are you mad? Get out of there, idiot.
Mama, you sent for me.
Yes, sit down. We need to talk. Sit down.
Mama, please, I don't need any disturbance this morning, please.
I said sit down. I want to talk to you.
Okay, what is it? I'm listening.
Is it me you're talking to like that? Anyway, I want us to talk about your condition. condition?
Ugom, do you want to remain in your father's house like this? Your mates are getting married. And you are asking me which condition?
You see why I said I don't want any disturbance this morning? Mama, am I the one that is going to marry myself?
I did not say that. Go out there and get a man. Yes! Make him marry you. Mama, are you telling me that after spending 4 years in the university, you could not get a man that will marry you?
Mama, I don't understand. Are you saying I should go and steal a man?
Yes.
Hey.
My fellow women are going for Omugo. And you are happy seeing me staying here with you. Very soon, Mama Philomena will go for the second time. See? I'm still here. Ugom, I want to go for Omugo. I want to carry my grandchildren.
Mama, you see,
go and get a man and make him marry you.
Mama, you see, that is the problem. Nobody cares about the divorce cases in Nigeria these days. In the world, people are getting divorced every day by day, and you want to pressure me to get him married. What is it now?
Do you want to marry your own and divorce?
I'm not saying I want to divorce, but you need to calm down. Don't put me under pressure.
Go and get a man that will marry you.
Mama, I will not steal any man. I will not steal any man.
Hey! Keep a better boys. Hey!
Thank you very much. You know, you did something for me that you probably may have forgotten. Yes. You told me that we should respect women, particularly those ones that are hustlers. You know? I really appreciate that. And since then, I've been conforming with it.
Thank you, sir.
Right?
Thank you very much, sir. You mean a lot.
Yes. Yeah. Your normal fare is
15,000.
This is 25,000. In appreciation of your hard work.
Thank you. I really appreciate that, sir.
What of your husband and your kid?
Fine. Son, I get boys.
Boy.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When you're ready again, you come in.
Of course, me.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Filo na hustler. Filo na hustler. Where they hustler mo tighty oh. She hustle pass a man no. Taxi driver. Serious taxi driver. Filo they hustle for money oh. What a man no can do, a woman no can do.
Thank God, oh God will bless that man. Today good. Please now, money don't do my hand. I'll be my friend where I borrow money from people buy me for auction. She will begin to come in. I'll say I no get. God will bless that man. Today good.
You are not talking money, you are talking Filo na hustler. Filo na hustler. Where they hustle, she hustle pass a man.
I don't know.
What happened?
Nothing else.
Why did you lock yourself inside?
Please don't. You don't shock me. I don't know say a lot.
Really?
I'm surprised that she's beginning to try to open her way in.
So how was work today?
Fine. The work be as you get. No day.
Okay. So what did you buy for me? You mean you didn't buy anything for me?
Money no day. Why?
You didn't buy anything for me. Me, man of the house.
They don't even stand for road, sir. People have to buy something from. They don't stand for road.
It's okay. I hope there is food.
Yes, I tell Uju make she cook. Food.
Let me go and eat. I'm terribly hungry.
Okay. I can't join you.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Bele, you told me.
Are you sure you're okay?
Maybe
you should just lie down now.
Okay, my stand up for you lie down there.
Yeah.
No, this corner of the bed, it is strong. So I say make I put my belly on top.
Okay, don't worry, let me help you.
No, I'll be okay. I just make I say make I rest small.
Are you sure?
Make I just do like this small.
Okay. Alright, let me go back to the kitchen.
Okay. I become there now.
Are you sure you're okay?
Me? I did very okay. Only the belly. Okay. I come there now. I make me, because I sit down and no green enough to make her.
Alright. Okay. I'll be waiting for you.
Okay. I have the fit of the work now. I'm not going to fit. Listen, Mother, now. I don't fit follow and argue. I don't go fit. If I keep money now, it will begin the thief out. He go use and go buy fine clothes. Go shave him baby. Resemble style. Because of say I love him, I'm making them do all these things. This money now, I'll carry and go bank, go keep am there. Big person like this. You didn't buy me anything, man of the house. Put here for back. Sweet your children.
Filo na hustler. Filo na hustler. Where they hustler more tight, she hustle pass a man.
EJ! EJ Amaka! Mama! Please come. Mama, I'm here. I want you to call your brother for me. I thought you called him this morning. He has not picked my call. I know his wife will not allow him answer my call because of the small money I asked him to give me. Ah, Mama. I'm not Philomena. Want your job. Okay, so should I call him with my phone? Yes, call him for me. What did he say? Mama, wait. Mama, he's busy in the call though. Call him again. I just called him twice and he's busy in the call. Call him again! Mama. Call him! I said Mama. Call him.
Why is Mama and EJ disturbing my life now?
Mama, he's still busy in the call. I know Philomena has brainwashed my son's head. I will bring back that head back. I'm going to bring your watch show your back. Philomena! Mama, Auntie Philomena has not done anything. I'm going to get out. Son of a, get out! Thought you are with me. I'm new enemy. Philomena. Okay. We shall see.
Because of 10,000 naira. See me, I don't have any money to give to anybody. Nobody just disturbed my life. And what is it now?
Sir, food is served.
Are you okay? You are standing 10 miles away to talk to me. My friend, will you walk right here?
Sorry.
What did you say?
Food is served.
My friend, you come back here. How many meats do you put for me?
2.
2 meats?
Yes.
Uju, I want to ask you a question.
Okay, sir.
How many meats did you give to my wife?
2.
2 meats for my wife. You say your life? And me, the man of the house, you can't put 3 meats or even 5 meats for me. My friend, go and correct it.
Okay, sir.
I'll be coming in 5 minutes. Nonsense, stupid girl. Hey. Mama, wait. I'll go off this phone now. When did you bring back the new car?
My mechanic bring her.
Wow.
My mechanic can bring her. I want to show you something.
What would that be?
I want to show you something now. Yeah, sorry. You look at first.
Okay. What is it for?
Uniform, please. May you no stress yourself. The uniform.
My uniform?
Yes. I don't check the cap. Go size your head. The shirt and the trouser. It could just fit you like say they burn you with them. So no worry.
Wait. I mean, must I use a uniform with you?
Yes. You must wear uniform. Because at the uniform, I be the level. I be the packaging. Yeah, by the time you reach airport now, when we start now, because I know what the flight schedule for my head. I know when they go land. I know when they go take off. Once you reach there now, you dress like this. By the time they look at those other taxi people, say that they sweat for their armpits. They go price and say, 250.
What kind
they
of
look
problem
you,
is
they
this?
will say 3,250.
Did I tell Philo that I want to do taxi driving work?
What do they think?